Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be here with me today. I'd like to talk briefly about two topics, and I've got them written up here on the board because this is take two, and I can do that real easily because I can't bend them anyway. So this is take two. Most of us who work in an outbuilding, a garage, a shed, I'm in a room within a barn. We If we get cut, we have an injury. We're alone, we're by ourselves. So I have had over the years first aid kits up on the wall, get all covered in dust. After 2, 3 years, 4 years, I look at the expiration dates on stuff and I say, yeah, toss it, buy a new one, put it up there. And I understand it's a form of insurance, and if you have to throw them away, you throw them away. But my injury went from here to here, severing the tendons to these two fingers. This one more than this one, but this one doesn't want to curl. So if it had been just 4 inches away, we'd be looking at my wrist. That would have been serious. So I'm looking into medical kits for woodworkers who are alone in the workshop, who at least need a tourniquet and maybe some sort of gauze and tape, but the tourniquet for sure. Um, but just something enough to prevent you from bleeding out while you get help. It doesn't matter if I have the most beautiful medical kit on the wall. If I have nobody here to help me, I'm on my own. That's all I can do is what I can do for myself. So I guess you'd have to look at it sort of like if you were a rancher or a worker that generally goes out someplace far distances from help. You need to be able to take care of yourself. So a company by the name of Refuge Medical makes first aid kits. And we're not talking about just mamby-pamby first aid kits. We're talking about serious stuff. We're talking about stuff that can handle anything you want. Okay. And the kits go from a simple, small kit that you can keep on you somewhere to a slightly larger kit that you can mount on the wall or on a post or something in your shop, to kits that you can mount on the back of the headrest of your car, um, so that if you ever come upon an accident or are in an accident, you have enough material to help save a life. Because if you have a major cut, leg, arm, I don't know what they can do about the neck, but you can at least stop the bleeding before 1 minute. That's right, you have 1 minute or less before you're down and out. So, if you're looking and you want to check out Refuge Medical, go right ahead. But I am in communication with them, and I'm discussing trying to customize a kit for us woodworkers and hobbyists who work with sharp instruments in buildings by ourselves. Now, the second part of this, and I don't want to go too long because this is, after all, take two, communications, or comms for short. I have no communication with the outside world from where I'm standing. None. No phone, no internet, No intercom, no radios, no walkie-talkies, nothing. So if I'm down, I'm there till somebody wants to just happen to come see how I'm doing. And that never happens. Okay? I would have to be down past certain times before someone would actually say, "Hey, where's Walt?" You know? So I'm looking into that as well. I don't know if there's an app for cell phones that can work without a cell tower and without Wi Fi. I don't think so. I don't think this cell phone that we're recording on can talk to another cell phone 150 feet away. I don't think that's possible. Not without Wi Fi, internet, cell tower. If any of you know of anything like that, let me know. And if you have some ideas or suggestions as to what should be included in a medical kit for us single warriors that are out here in the workshop, let me know. Put it down in the comments section. But I personally, after my experience, I have to come up with some comms and I have to come up with a medical kit that's not overkill, pardon the word kill, for a workshop for a single guy. Now, if you're in a workshop with 2 or more workers, you need to contact Refuge Medical and have them set you up with one major medical kit that would remain near some office or workstation where there's a person of importance, like a supervisor, and then smaller ones in other key locations in the workshop. So check out Refuge Medical. And if you happen to talk with them or buy something from them, this doesn't mean anything. I'm not sponsored by them. I don't get any kickback, nothing. But just let them know that Walter from Dusty Splinters on YouTube mentioned their company. All right. They're a great company. They do a lot of great work. And to date, their kits have saved 100+ lives. All right. As far as communications, I got to work on that. I need something that I can have on me, that I can reach into the house from anywhere on my property. So if you like this video and the topic, and we want to continue talking about it, give it the old thumbs up. And don't forget, if you're not subscribed, I invite you to subscribe and share the video. This is a very serious topic. Don't brush this off. We're not talking about boo-boo band-aids. We're talking about what if you have a serious injury. You need something to be safe. Walter out.